They began to crow towards the kitchen door, where Mrs. Brown came in the trays of drink. Now Mrs. Brown will talk. Good heavens, what all this row? What all children have been doing here? Now Mrs. Kroll will talk. Why, what to leave? Mrs. Brown, in this fog, how can you? Mr. Peter will talk. Have you done something to Mr. Hunt and others? Kroll, Peter say you have drugged them? Mrs. Brown, nonsense. Why in the world did you get that idea? She noticed the cupboard left partly open. Glenn, what is the stuff in there? Mrs. Brown, what do you mean stuff? In its electronic effects is belong in my husband. He is a scientist in part of his work. Peter, and why is the back door locked? Bronze, it also locked when you closed it. It is a proof locked. The windows are proof too. My husband does not want to run with the with the risk of having the equipment stolen.
Thank you.
Now Tracy will talk. They have been trying to scare us, saying they have someone staying about this house and about you. Now Mrs. Bro will talk. How dare, after we have taken you in the look after you, after I have gone through the trouble of giving this drink for you and all. Peter, I bet they are drugs, just like the tea I gave for them, Mr. Hunt and others. Mr. Bro, now just stop it. Kindly of talking. Peter, I saw them. You have gone them to the room and drugged. Mrs. Brown, you saw nothing was substance. They were chatting with Mrs. Bro just like that. Clone. Ask them to come in the ask them to come here then so we can see them. Mrs. Bro. I am not I am not drugged them. In her just becomes a lot of children slightly fascinated. Glenn. Well, let us know it. Let us know it. Come, we will go there and see them. Mrs. Bro. No, you don't. I am not going to order about by children's. She bars the way through the door. Clone. She cannot stop us on her own if she tried to go. Mrs. Brooke. All right, all right. I will go and fetch one of your teacher, stupid children. She goes out. Drawn. She. See, she is going to bring them. Tracy. They are not drugged at all. Why were you trying to scare us? Drawn. Are you stupid? Peter. Tracy. It's an originated house and they were originated people. Drawn. In spite of us like that, you have rotten. Peter, I know what I saw. Give us the talk stick. Glenn, Glenn, were you out? As Glenn gave the stick, both Mr. and Mrs. Brown come in. Clara, where is Mr. Hunt? Bros, he don't know. He don't become coming. And you had better drink. Peter, don't. Anybody touch that stuff? Mrs. Brown, I will make it no difference. You cannot escape anywhere. Vani. Vani. Oh no. Come on, Glenn. Let us pass time. Glenn. Right, Vani. Thank you, ma'am.